Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Instagram account security. And in today's video, I will show you how to review trusted login devices and remove unrecognized devices that is having access to your Instagram account in order to keep your Instagram account safe. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. Click on this three slider. Go ahead and click on Account Center. Scroll down right here. Proceed to Password and Security. Go ahead and click on Two-Factor Authentication. Select your Instagram handle. Select your Instagram handle. Then here you go. Scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Trusted Devices. Then here you go. You have all trusted devices that is having access to your Instagram account right here. If you take note of any unrecognized devices that is having access to your Instagram account, go ahead and select on the device. For instance, if I click on this device right here, then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Remove Devices. With that, your detail is going to be removed from that particular device that is having access to your Instagram account, and your Instagram account become more secure and safe. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how to protect and secure your Instagram account like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.